Welcome again at Quick School. I'm Tikrod. Today's lesson is about JavaScript function. We are going to start JavaScript function by opening Visual Studio Code. When we open Visual Studio Code, we are going to create a file called Java function, Java function.js. It is opened. Then we start by the keyword function. After keyword function, we open and close parentheses. Uh, Inside the parentheses, we are going to put some parameters, but it is not every function parameters for function. Okay, it is like this, but we need to give a name of function. For example, our function name is calculate or calculation. Let's call it calculation function, calculation parameters, and a function body here. It has the main three parts. Function declaration, as you can see, this one, function declaration, function parameters, and function body. Write something here, console.log. Welcome to Java function. JavaScript function. Like this. And you can see when you run when you run Java function, it is empty also. But how to call a function in JavaScript? We need to call our function so that it can run. How are we going to call it? We are going to call it by its name. Let's call it calculation by its name, like this one. If we call it like this, this is called the function declaration, function body, and this is function call. We are calling this calculation function. Let's run it and see. Wow, as you can see, welcome to JavaScript function is running. Okay, now we are going to put so many things as we can inside our function. Okay, we are going to say price item. Let item name be let item name be rice, for example. Let item price be 500. Here. Okay. Let currency, let currency be USD or Rwandan francs. Okay, like this one. We are going to display, for example, console.log the price of rice. The price of rice is how much? Item price. Okay, we've forgotten that we declared the item name here. Let's put here item name. Okay, item name will be item name like this one. The price of item name is the price, but we need to add also, sorry, we need to add the currency also here, currency like this. Okay, let's check and see. If we run this, you can see the price of rice is 500 Rwandan francs. Okay, let's put here a space like this one. As you can see, our function is running properly. Okay, then if we have function like this, we are going to say item number, let item number, let item number be 57, for example. Then item let item number be 57. Then the price of 57 kilogram of rice. Let's say let unit be kilogram. Okay, in kilogram. Okay, the price of item name, item quantity, item quantity here. Let's put it here. Item number, item quantity. It is item quantity like this one. The price of item quantity like this one. Item quantity, we are going to take item quantity and item quantity in what? In units. Units. Okay, like this one. Let's run it and see. When you run a function, the price of 47 kilogram of rice is 500 francs. Before it was the 500, but now we move to the quantity. We need to have your item price times the quantity, because item, it may be taken as unit price. For example, it is 1 kilogram price, which is 500 francs. Let's take item quantity times the item price, like this one. Okay, if we take this one like this one, we will see 23,500 francs. Okay, you can see our function is working properly. If our function is working properly, we are going to see how to set parameters inside a function. Okay, let's check and see. Let's check and see how to put parameters here. For example, let's put the first name here, like this one. Then second name. And if we we use first name and second name here. We are going to call, let's say, console.log like this. Welcome, first name, second name. This space here, we need to have space between the first and second name. Okay, we maintain there's a space. If we run it by here, nothing is, it is going to give us like this. Sorry, you can see welcome undefined because there is no first name and second name, or we didn't define them. Let's define them by function call. In function call, inside function call, we are going to define, for example, Jean Pierre, like this one. For example, Jean Pierre is the first name. Then the second name is going to be Umhosa, like this one. Okay, let's run it and see the result. Welcome Jean-Pierre Umhosa. You can see we have function call, which is calling first name as a parameter here, and Umhosa as a parameter here. As you can see, a function is running properly. You have to create your own function. The next lesson, we will see built-in function, JavaScript built-in function. For today's lesson, we was looking at JavaScript user-defined function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so that we can move forward. Thank you. See you later.